kakabit ko lang. Oh, you're a nice girl. It's my unit number. It's my Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, how's your life with your husband?
Ito, happy. Contented. And in fairness, magaling sa kama.
Pero best friend. Advice ko lang sa'yo mag-ingat ka. Baka mamaya, makikita naman yung langan ng mahal mo. Kaya hindi ka. Gusto ka naman yung langan mo.
Investment. Not even husband. I'm pretty sure it's 100% loyal.
But I have wife and child. So, we should stop.
That's not the problem. Ang anak hindi napapalitan, pero ang asawa nahihiwalayan.
When the utils of love for your wife has faded, what will you do?
Dude, di ba siya yung wife of Babe Slider na nakalantaan?
Yeah, actually, I really di niya alam na inaasa pala ng ibang asawa.
True.
Will you fight the temptation for other women? Or will you live in?
Endure day.
Oh my goodness. This is what?
So, totoo palang chismis. Ikaw ba ang karelasyon ng asawa? Relasyon? Relasyon. Kirida, saber, mistress. Number 2, relasyon. So you are well. Huwag mo nga akong mamay-may. Sagutin mo lang ang tanong ko. Are you my husband? Fuck my husband. You can call me anything you want, sick, approach, or father, but I will never be a husband. Is it true? Bakit? Ilang minutes ba natatanggap mo dyan sa kabit mo?
Nakakasawa ka na kasi. Sa umpisa lang ako nasisihan. Siyempre, pumahanap din naman ako ng ibang putahe.
Starring Roland Taperla, John Ray Yante, Chonag Patal, in The Unsatisfied Husband.